Hello everybody, this is Naeem. I'm the business manager and one of the co-founders of Spectrum BPO. I hope you guys are having a great time. So as you guys know that, at Spectrum, we are dedicated to turning obstacles into stepping stones and driving unprecedented growth for our clients. So today let's explore the success story of Vivo, one of our clients. A brand known for its mouth-watering range of edible food products. It is a plant-based product. So if you're an Amazon seller or an agency or a service provider or just an enthusiast, if you want to learn or you would just want to sell on Amazon, or you're trying to learn how to sell on Amazon, you guys don't want to miss this case study, because you're gonna learn a ton out of this case study. And you're gonna know why in a while, while I share the details with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So this brand, Vivo, when they reached out to us on November 1st, 2023, their position was anything but optimal. And I hate to say this, but their product listings were all over the place. They were underperforming. Most of them were facing buy box suspension issues, and their PPC campaigns were falling flat, straight up. So these challenges were causing not just low sales, but also restricted visibility in a competitive marketplace, because we all know how competitive Amazon is, right? So there were a couple things we did. So first of all, our team jumped right into the action, crafting a roadmap for success that covered every angle for this client. The first thing we did was we kicked off with a thorough audit of their account to pinpoint areas that needed immediate attention. The second thing we did was we optimized the product listings to make them not only appealing but also SEO centric. So in order to ensure that they caught the eyes of more potential buyers. The next thing we did was that we tackled the buy box suppression head on with targeted strategies, reclaiming the buy box for the majority of their listings. And the last thing we did was that we reimagined their PPC campaigns, incorporating high-performing keywords, launching fresh campaigns, and introducing diverse ad type to elevate their reach and drive sales. So the results, well, what do you guys expect? They were absolutely stellar. So within the 6 months of Vivo joining Spectrum, their weekly sales surged by an impressive 216%. That is 216%, leaping from $4,650 to $14,698. That's a $10,000, over $10,000 difference of revenue added in terms of weekly sales. Now, their ACoS plummeted from 51.66% to 34.20%, with more improvement on the horizon. Our team is working on bringing the ACoS down further for this client. So we also saw 65% spike in sessions, leading to a surge in customer interest and traffic to their listings. So in over just 6 months, the additional sales that we added for the seller was $168,340. That is $168,340 additional revenue or sales added for Vivo within 6 months. Now, with 144% units or more units ordered, Vivo growth became a case study in sustained impressive results. Now we all know that that no success story comes without its hurdles. So from tackling complex buy box suppressions and redesigning PPC campaigns to resolving catalog management issues, we overcame every challenge with unwavering precision. We made sure their customers had a seamless shopping experience, boosting overall satisfaction. So today, Vivo is thriving. With our comprehensive account management services, from fine-tuning account health and PPC optimization to graphics and catalog management, we delivered a tailored solution that catapulted their brand to new heights. So if you're an Amazon seller who's facing the same challenges that we have shared in this case study, and you want to resolve them as soon as possible and see these sort of results in terms of sales, well, let Spectrum BPO be your partner in driving growth that speaks for itself. Reach out to us today and let's set the stage for extraordinary results.